My dear students, now you have realized the importance and significance of knowledge and its management and those processes which help to explore new knowledge and then to exploit what you already know in the market in the form of product, in the form of process, or in the form of new functions. Innovation management simply means, of course, you are managing knowledge, but it's a slightly adding, embedding new knowledge, making the old product, the old design, the old process relevant with the future needs, with the future markets, with the future trends, with the future design. So innovation is important not only at the individual level but also at the organizational level. Most organizations recognize that innovation management will help them to achieve competitive advantage as compared to their competitors. And at the same time, if you are interested in long-term profitability. Remember, I gave you the example that we have in Pakistan one company in Faisalabad which is the world leader in sock manufacturing. अच्छा, आप कहेंगे China is the world leader in almost every technology, every manufacturing goods. लेकिन जुराबों में नहीं. जुराबों के अंदर दुनिया जहान के कस्टमर्स के ऑर्डर्स, नाइकी, लीवाइज, पूमा, you name it. This is the world leader. कैसे? You study their style, you study their manufacturing through innovation, through bringing new knowledge, new design, new information, putting it into the process, putting it into the product, and being the world leader. So that you can have a long-term profitability. It could be incremental. You will make small changes, small improvements to the existing products. It's okay. Incremental. It could be radical. No, we are not interested. अब ये फैसला तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को करना है. Radical innovation seeks to develop new technologies or business processes which will transform either the whole sector or the whole market. Uber का बिजनेस प्रोसेस कितनी टैक्सी की कंपनियां थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, सिर्फ पाकिस्तान नहीं, थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड उनको ऑब्सोलीट कर दिया. क्रीम उबर का कंपटीटर के तौर पर सामने आया और थोड़े अरसे के बाद उबर ने उस क्रीम को बहुत सारे पैसे देकर एक्वायर कर दिया. It's okay. So your idea, which was established in the form of cream and was good enough to give a tough competition to Uber in Pakistan and in Middle East, Uber realized to purchase that idea, जिसको आप strategic management में कहते हैं acquisition. So they have acquired the company. Actually, they have acquired the market. Actually, they have acquired the knowledge of the market. Number 3, component innovation. आप ओवरऑल डिजाइन के अंदर कुछ कंपोनेंट्स चेंज करते हैं जिससे उसकी एफिशिएंसी बढ़ जाती है. There could be architectural innovation. You change the design. You change the architecture. Modification in the overall system and the linkage between the different components of the system. Competence enhancing innovation. It builds on company's existing knowledge base. Competence क्या होती है? It is your ability to do the work efficiently on the basis of knowledge. And when it is on the basis of knowledge and you keep on innovating it, you're actually enhancing your competency level. It could be core competencies. It could be your dynamic competencies. Naturally, it will make your dynamic ability higher than the others. और आखिरी बात है competence destroying innovation. Creative destruction. एक ऐसा डिजाइन लेकर आए, एक ऐसा नो हाउ, एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी लेकर आए कि इसने पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी को ऑब्सोलीट कर दिया. कैमरे की टेक्नोलॉजी मोबाइल फोन में आ गई. हर छोटे बड़े गरीब अमीर के पास अब कैमरा मौजूद है. कहां गई वो कैमरे की बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां? कोडैक, अमेरिकन कंपनी, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई. तो क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स इट इज एन इनोवेशन एंड यू मस्ट बी केयरफुल, which will completely destroy the old know-how and it will add a new technology, a new combination. वो करता था ना 3-in-1 and 2-in-1 रेडियो और फिर उसके अंदर टेप रिकॉर्ड. कहां चले गए वो? अभी कल की बात है, वीसीआर हुआ करता था. कहां गए वीसीआर? टीवी गॉन. एलसीडी भी खत्म हो रही है, एलईडी आ रही है. वो जो बल्ब हुआ करते थे, टंगस्टन बल्ब 100 वाट का, 200 वाट का, उसकी जगह पर एनर्जी सेवर आ गए. अब एनर्जी सेवर की जगह पे क्या है? एलसीडीज, एलईडीज. न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, न्यू सेविंग्स, न्यू नॉलेज. तो innovation must be managed if you have focused on competitive advantage or if you have focused to achieve long-term perspective, productivity and profitability. Thank you.